Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So we originally sold this car from new and have taken it back in part exchange. It's been serviced by Howard's. This car features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. There's 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, reverse parking sensors. Now inside the car you've got a half leather interior. The touchscreen features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise control with a speed limiter, and the car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine. It gives you 120 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox done under 25,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil.